Hello, my name is Sedat Cevikparmak. I'm really glad that I'm going to be joining you all at Chesapeake Forum this March. And I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to what I'm going to be talking about. So I was a West Point cadet from Turkey for 4 years, and then I had the privilege of serving in the Turkish Armed Forces for about 20 years. And unfortunately, my life took a brief and abrupt turn in 2016 after the events of coup in Turkey in 2016. I was working at the NATO headquarters in Brussels. I had a great alibi, but it didn't matter. So, because of the persecution that I was facing, I had to relocate and start over here at the United States. It was quite tough, especially at the very beginning. But I'm glad that I can say now I survived that purge. And right now, I'm an assistant professor of and chair of supply chain management program at DeSales University. In the meantime, I also was able to, co-found, and now I'm serving as the chairman of NATO Veterans Initiative, NAVI, which is a veteran organization, a research and networking organization, trying to bring transatlantic veterans together and build a community, and especially around the ideals of NATO's founding documents. So we're trying to achieve more in our post-service life. So this is going to be my story, telling you how I persevered, how I survived, and how I found new meaning with what happened to me and my family in 2016. I hope to see you all there. Thank you.